today we are playing... What's this game called again? Engine or something? Ragdoll? I think it is. Engine Ragdoll? I don't know. I forgot the name of this game and I am... okay. Why is everybody being so weird here? Wait, how did I do that? What's FP? Oh, first person. Oh, ow, I can't see anything. I bumped into a Slender. Ow. The heck? Oh, I pressed the doll by accident. That's what it does. How do I stand up? Hello? First person? Do I press the doll again? Let me see. Oh, there. Okay. Hey, this guy dancing. Let's dance with him. See. This is gonna be 7 minutes long because I can't make a video like for 15 minutes long because I'm not very funny. Hey, you ruined my dance. You know, I missed the guest. Oh, goodness. Okay, it doesn't. Hello? Oh! Wait. Whoa! Ah! The heck? Ow. That... No. Okay. I'm giving away Robux. Just kidding, I don't have Robux. Spoon balloon. Well, I have a balloon here. Come on, everybody. Hello? None of the Slenders or Bacons? Hi. Hey, get up here. Too late, man. Gotta wait for another one. Okay, let's wait for the time. Oh, jeez! The heck? I fell off the balloon! I bet I'm gonna get oofed. Okay, it's so laggy. Oh no, this is not my wish to happen. Ow! My wish is to go to space! Not this! You need this? That's so funny. Oh, can I land it? Oh. All I'm doing is I'm just looking at my spider cola. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. This guy got this in 2014 or something? Yeah, I think Roblox was made in 2014. What am I saying? Hey! He got Minitoon and the shoulder. Piggy. Guys, what's the new title of Piggy? It's like first birthday. Is it Minitoon's birthday? It's January 30. I was born on January 6. Wait, so I'm more older than Minitoon? Wait, what does this mean? The heck? I'm like 8 years old. Yeah, I'm 8 years old. Oh. If I click it. Oh. What happens if I like touch the bacon and then I touch this? Will it ow. I thought it would let the bacon like go to the explosion thingy, the cannon. But no, hey. I'm sad. Okay, let's teleport there. Nice! We are back here. Is this blue COVID? The new COVID or something? I don't know what it's called. Total players joined. What does this mean? Server ran for 14 hours, 46 minutes, and 19 seconds. Oh, damn! What is happening? Damn, what is happening? Whoa! Damn! Yo, there's a hacker! Bun, you here? Yo, damn. Oh no, that does not look good. Run. We need to go to a different server. Goodness, what is that? There's a hacker. Whoa, look at that. Oh, damn. It's fighting the whole game. Where did it go now? Oh, I saw that. Hide it. Gotta hide. Yeah, this is a good hiding spot. Whoa! Wait, I thought that was him. Okay, I think he stopped the hackings or her. Maybe it's the bun. look, I found a swimming pool here. We only have, 2 minutes more. 5 minutes has been taken. Wait, I don't even know what. Let's ride this thing. Ow! Hey, that's mean. What am I saying? Okay, I'm ready to jump. Wow, I didn't expect that. Oh, nice landing. I can't breathe. I don't know how to swim. Ow! I told you guys, I bumped my head. Boom. Okay, we're gonna teleport to the jumping thing, whatever it's called.
Boring.
Totally, guys, I was here already. Whoa, wait. Is that the hacker? Whoa! What is happening? Ow! What is happening? Wait, what is actually happening? This is weird. I think the buns are here. Bruh. Hey! Hello? It's Luna Girl. Hey, Luna Girl. Ah! Hello? Okay. Ow! I bumped my head. Goodness. We still have 1 second. Okay. Everybody in Australia, I am sorry if this disturbs you, but I am going down. Bye.